Hi, here's a quick demo to show how to create storage VDC on Nexus 7000. I did a write, erase, and reload. It just came back from reload. It has only one VDC, the default. So the first thing to do is to install feature set, FCoE. Later we're going to show how to allocate interfaces into storage VDC. Type storage. Actually, the first thing before we create a storage VDC, one important thing to do is to enable the QoS for FCoE. I'm doing this here just so I can copy and paste and make minor changes. I know the one we need is 7E. But let's just see what 7E has. 7E has one no drop cost of service. That's what we need. Looking at the detail, has pause, MTU 2112. Pause is PFC, priority flow control. And the 8E does not has pause in MTU 2112. That's why we have to change to 7E before we can create the storage VDC. Show policy map system. This is just to verify the 7E has been applied successfully. We see here is a match cost of service 3, which is a default for FCoE. So now we can create a FCoE VDC type storage. This is going to take a moment. Okay, now VDC2 has come online. The next thing we do is to allocate interfaces into newly created VDC. We have got to be careful here because we have to know the group, the port group. We don't want to allocate interfaces we don't need or currently in use. In this test environment, doesn't matter, but in production environment, yeah, for sure, double check before we move. As we can see here, the ports are even number, 4 ports as a group, and then odd number, 4 ports as a group. Yes. So even number 4 ports as a group and odd number 4 ports as a group. Here let's just allocate from 17 to 24. It shows a warning, the reason I just mentioned earlier. It says FCoE Manager Module 2 not licensed. We're going to do it a little bit later. So allocate FCoE VLAN range. This is to allocate VLAN used by FCoE. There's a matching between vCen and VLAN. We use vCen 500 and vCen 600. We can allocate VLAN 500 and VLAN 600. They don't have to be the same, but it will be a lot easier just make them the same. And then we don't have license, that's why we need a license grace period. Okay, this time it worked. Now we can switch to the storage VDC. I kept typing the wrong password. Let me copy from Notepad. Show feature set FCoE is enabled. And it has all the interfaces we allocated. That's it. I will create a follow-up blog. It's not a video, just a blog to show how to configure and troubleshoot FCoE connecting to a Cisco C-Series server. So I will post a link in the description area, so check it out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.